For this smoothie, which is great for mood swings and hot flashes and protects our bones really well, we're going to use watercress. I'm going to put this much into my blender, stems and all. Watercress is a natural diuretic. It decreases fluid retention. It is high in vitamin B1, so it's great for digestion. It has vitamin B9, which helps the serotonin, which helps our mood swings. Maybe could help with cognitive decline. It is very high in calcium. Gram for gram, it has more calcium than milk, so it's great for your bones. It's very high in vitamin K, also great for your bones. High in vitamins B6 and magnesium, which helps maintain healthy estrogen in your body. That's why it helps you with hot flashes. It helps you lessen the loss of libido and could help with vaginal dryness, which is a fact of life for us older women. And then it has very high contents of vitamin C, which are an antioxidant. But gram for gram, this has more vitamin C than oranges. I'm going to add parsley to this. I'm going to tear the stems off. Full of antioxidants. It fights inflammation. It's also a natural diuretic. It protects your bones because it has a lot of vitamin K. We need to protect our bones as our estrogen levels go down, you know, and menopause and all that. So this is good. It has vitamin C. It has vitamin A, which is great for your vision. And it does have folate. Very good for digestion. Cucumber, high in antioxidants. It's very high in nutrients. It promotes hydration of the body. It lowers blood sugar, and it promotes bowel movement. Apples have phytoestrogens, which, you know, also help us with our reduction of estrogen in the body. They also have high fiber. They're high in antioxidants, and they protect us against illness. This is half a small green apple. Go look again. You can use red apple if you want. Okay. I'm going to add filtered water to this, or a cup. You can drink this smoothie every day if you want. It's not going to last for a long time, so don't make big quantities. You know, it might last you okay overnight, but yeah, it's something you need to drink as you make it, okay? But enjoy it, and especially if you're feeling like you can't stand your hormones going crazy on you, this is a great smoothie. This is so full of nutrients, it's great for you. Bottoms up. It's actually very delicious. Has that peppery taste of the watercress, little sweetness from the apple. Very nice, goes down very easily. Thanks for watching. I'm going to see you soon.